Okay, students, this lesson is on finding the area of a trapezoid. Finding the area of a trapezoid. There we go. All right, so now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to draw a trapezoid over here. Okay, so a trapezoid with both the parallel lines. And to identify it, a trapezoid has two bases and two equal sides. This side, of course, this base is shorter than this base, but these both are considered bases. Okay. Let's go ahead and identify what every area is on this trapezoid that we have. So this first base is 7 meters. My second base is going to be 12 meters. Base 1, base 2. And then remember, you need a right angle when you have the height. And so I'm going to identify this part right here as my right angle, and it's right there where the two bases meet, and that's where the two bases meet. That right angle is going to be 9.8 meters. Okay, 9.8 meters. Now, the formula for a trapezoid, for those of you who don't recall, I'll put it right here, is area equals 1/2 height times B1 plus B2. Okay, that is your formula. So I always like to identify what every part is. I'm going to go ahead and make this my B1. This one will be my base 2. And this right here is going to be the height. So I'm able to plug in where all the numbers go and do your basic multiplication. So let's go ahead and finish this. Plugging in all our numbers as I mentioned. My height is 9.8. My B1 is 12 plus, because we're just bringing all this down, my B2 is 7. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and rewrite. Area equals 1/2 9.8. And I add these two. 12 plus 7 is 19. Continue to put them in parentheses, because when a number is in parentheses, that indicates that these two numbers need to be multiplied. 19 times 9.8. Whatever's on the inside or the outside, you multiply it with whatever's in the parentheses. So I'm going to go ahead now and I'm going to area equals 1/2. Now I'm going to get my calculator and multiply 9.8 times 19. 9.8 times 19 equals 186.2. I'll go ahead and write that 186.2, and then you go and you take this and you multiply it by that 1, which is going to be 186 over 2. And this is what I'm going to get. Area equals 186.2 0.2 divided by 2. But we are not done yet. Because I already have this on my calculator, I'm going to go ahead and take 186.2 and divide it by 2. And my answer is 93.1. So the answer to this is area equals 93.1 meters squared. And that is the answer to finding the area of a trapezoid. That's the formula. Remember, you have two bases, and here's your right angle where your bases meet, 9.8.